lahat. At syempre, paalala lang po para po sa ating parents and guardians na please, pakiwakan po muna natin ating mga kids. At wala po muna pumunta dito sa unahan upang muna pumunta si Joppy sa kanyang special performance for you, Gab Gab.
Okay, kaya naman, palapakan natin ang ating one and only best friend, Jollibee!
Maestro! Hit it! Nagyayaya ang ngiti, di na nga mapakali. Halika na.
Let's go, Jollibee!
I'm a really mean first thing.
Hey! Let's go! Whoop! Yay! Alright, Gab Gab at Tatang Kids, samahan natin si Jollibee! Sumaya!
Let's go, Gab Gab and kids! Ready, and 1, 2, 3.
Hey, let's go! Thank you so much, kids!
Ulit lang po muna ulit tayong lahat. Thank you so much!
And let's give it up for Jollibee! And now let's wave our hands, come on, and go! Let's go, Jollibee! Whoa, whoa,
Yes, thank you so much, Jollibee, for your wonderful performance! Grabe ka na yung Jollibee, wala kang kupal!
Ay, dito lamang yan sa
Jollibee!